Now, I am going to explain about the leaching process. See, firstly, what is the leaching process? The leaching process means removal of potash and other pesticides residues which are actually on the outer layer of the vegetables. Whether it is for normal vegetable preparations for chronic kidney patients or else to prepare the raw vegetable juice, we have to invariably leach the vegetables. Now I am going to show that for especially for raw vegetables juice, what are all the ingredients we are going to be used. Those things I am going to get leached. See, now I am going to immerse the vegetables in the water for 12 hours. Now we have to keep it like this for about 12 hours. And now I have immersed all the vegetables in the water, and we have to keep in this way for overnight. And morning we have to rinse these vegetables in the hot water. Now we have to rinse these vegetables with the boiled water. See, now I am pouring the boiled water on this vegetables. So we have to keep in the boiled water for few seconds or few minutes. See, now after rinsing in the boiled water for a few minutes, you take out, and it's so hot. Now, you can go for directly preparation for either any vegetable curry or raw vegetable juice, or else you can properly remove this entire water droplets on these vegetables, and you can preserve it in fridge also for using later on. So this is the way in which we have to leach the vegetables. Now I am going to show how to prepare the raw vegetable juice. Now for raw vegetable juice, I am saying that B3 and C4 for easily remembering that ingredients which is going to be used for raw vegetable juice. B3 means, B means beetroot, and another B means bottle gourd, this one. Another B means beetle vine. Beetle vine, it doesn't require any leaching and all. So this is a beetle vine. 1 or 2 leaves for one portion. One portion means 200 ml. For 200 ml, we have to use these vegetables around 250 to 260 grams. It's a beetle vine. And now 1 or 2 leaves has to be used for one portion. One portion means 200 ml. So for all other vegetables has to be put equal quantity. One is, I told you, B3, I explained. Now C4. C means carrot, and another C means cucumber, and another C means coriandrum. Coriandrum leaves or celery leaves, whatever it is available. Another C is a cabbage. And for taste, we have to add any one fruit, whether apple or pineapple or whatever the fruit we wish. So apple I am adding in this raw vegetable juice. Now, before preparation of this raw vegetable juice, I would like to tell about the importance. If the person consumes this raw vegetable juice, 1 glass or 2 glass, within a month, whatever the abnormality in the cholesterol level or else in triglyceride, it will going to become normal. Such a way it is helpful for blood thinning. Secondly, it nourishes both beneficial microbes in the gut system and also it will nourish us to the body. So it's a very, very important diet in our routine food. What I want to say is